Yummy.
Hey guys,
Hey guys,
we are eating
I'm eating pizza.
pizza for dinner.
That's for dinner. We have our drinks, water for me.
Coke for me.
No, thank you. I got pepperoni pizza. It's good. Pizza Hut. It's pepperoni and it's yummy. Mommy, look at eating it.
looking at you, huh?
Yeah.
Baan ako?
What?
Baan mo? Hawakan mo yung pizza ni ate.
Ayoko! Yeah. I don't want to eat it. I know you're gonna make me eat it. I just ate the whole pepperoni.
Try it. Try mo.
Where am I?
They're doing.
Yep, this is yummy. I'm getting obsessed with this. And I love the crust, so I'm gonna eat the crust. Guys, look at this.
Stop.
It's yummy. Now guys, I'm almost done now. So maybe later we're gonna perform a show again from scratch. Okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe and send, and you can see it in Julia's profile.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.